Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the CMF watch application. Another thing to mention is that if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, now let's go and continue with the reset. So once your watch is paired with your phone, you can open the CMF watch app on your phone that is paired with your watch, then tap on the device icon right here, and you should see your CMF Watch Pro on the list, rather on the page right here. Wait until it says connected. Now scroll down and find the reset option. Once you find it, tap on it, then tap on yes to confirm. And once you see the list of languages on the screen of your watch, it means that the factory reset is complete. Now you can close the app if you want to, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.